Alright, give this problem a go. I'm going to start solving it now. You got to find the product of matrices A and matrices B. First off, if you're given this problem on a test, obviously you're going to be able to do a product, because if not, you wouldn't get, you have to get an answer somehow. But to make sure you're able to multiply them, you have to find the dimensions of each one. So A would be a 2 row by 2 columns matrix, and B would be a 2 row by 3 column matrix. Columns are the second element here. If these inner elements are equivalent, then you're good to take the product. And the dimensions of this product will be the outers. So we're going to end up with a 2 by 3 matrix. And we will call that matrix C, which is equal to AB. So, I'm doing red here. When you multiply a matrix, you take the first element and multiply it by, you would multiply it by this element here. And then you take the second element of your row. So you're taking the rows and you're multiplying by columns. I should have said that first. So you take the first element of your row, first element of the column, second element of the row, second element of the column. So this 3 is going to multiply to that 3. This 1 is going to multiply to that 4. These are going to add together, and that will become the first element in our new matrix. So 3 times 3 is 9, and then we're going to add that to 1 times 4, which is 4. Okay, that's the first element, separating them by commas. The second element will be 3 times 1, or 3 multiplied by this 2. This 3 multiplied by this 2. This 1 multiplied by this 1, and they will add. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, similarly, the last row, 3 times 6 is 18. 1 times 0 is 0. 18 plus 0. Okay, so let me clean up some of my marks here while we start the... We have finished the first row of 2. Just clean it up a little bit. Okay, so now with the second row, this 0 is going to multiply to this 3. This 2 is going to multiply to this 4. You're doing the same exact thing now with this row. You're going to repeat the same exact steps you did with 3 and 1 now with this row. So 0 to 3 is 0, plus 2 to 4 is 8. 0 times 2 is going to be 0. 2 times 1 is going to be 2. 0 times 6 is going to be 0. 2 times 0 is going to be 0. So there you have it. You've got all the elements. Now you just need to do the addition. So that would be a 13. This would result in 7. This would be 18. That would be an 8. That'll be a 2. That'll be a 0. And if you remove the commas, I just had that there for the addition, really. 8, 2, 0. And notice, just like we said, we have a, oh wait, excuse me, 2 by 3 dimension.